Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Gyan. Today in this video I will explain you three things. That is, first I will explain you how to install the JDK. Secondly, how to set the path of the JDK after installation of JDK and then setting it into environment variable. And then third, how to run Java program in CMD. Okay, so first we will going to do how to install JDK. So for that we have to go any of our browser, then search for JDK, and then from the first link, that is of Oracle website, click on that link, and then as per your OS, like I am showing the how to install JDK for Windows. So I will click on Windows, and then beside this into 64 installer there is one link. You have to click on that link and download the JDK. Okay, so let this JDK be downloaded. uh, okay, it will take time. Okay, so actually I have already installed the JDK, so I will not be downloading the JDK again. So I am cancelling it out. Okay, so I will search for JDK. See, here you can see I have already installed. So after installation, wherever you have installed, then click on that JDK, double click it. Okay, then it will ask for permission, administration permission. Okay, so actually I have already installed, but again I will show you how you can install. Okay, so these processes will be done. After that, do next, keep the path whatever it will be, then next. Okay, and then let the process be done, and then close it. Okay, now after the installation process, there will be one file which will be generated, that is of Java file. Okay, sorry, JDK file will be generated, that is in your local C drive. There you will find your program files, and there you have to search for your Java, and then JDK. As I have two versions, you will be only getting the JDK 17 version. Okay, so I will explain you with JDK 17 version only. Click on that JDK 17, then bin, and from the top just copy that path. Okay, by clicking at the top, just select all and copy. Then open your system environment variable. System environment variable. Okay, so here in environment variables, and then in system variables, after going to environment variables, go into system variables and scroll it for path. Okay, so here is the path, and here click on new, and then paste the part which you have copied. Okay, then just press OK, OK, OK. Okay, so in this way you can uh, set the path of environment variable. Okay, that is JDK path is being set into the environment system environment variable. Okay, and keep one more thing in mind, that is I will show you again. System here in some of the OS it is not showing to edit in this system variable path. If you are not able to change the or set the path into the system variable, change the path into the users variable. Okay, here also you will get the path, and then new, and just paste the path and press OK. Okay, okay, then in this way you have set the environment variable path. Now if you want to check that is it correctly the path is being set, then search for CMD. Okay, and then write java hyphen hyphen version. Okay, and after running this command you will get a version of that JDK if you have successfully set the environment variable path of that JDK. Okay, so here we have successfully set the path, so that's why we are getting the version. Okay, so if you have successfully set the path you will also get it. Now the third point which I will be explaining, that is how to run any Java program. So for that what I will do is I will go to a notepad file, any file. In that I will write one program, that is hello world program. So class test public void public static void display or void main string args. Okay, then here I will simply print hello world. So for that system dot out dot print ln, and here I will write hello world. And okay, so after this, after writing your Java program, just save it. And you know that to save our file we have to keep the class name and the file name same. Okay, so here our class name is test. Here you can see our class name is test, so we will also keep our file name as test only. So test dot java. Okay, with the help of .java extension. So here you can see that test is the class name and I have kept the file name same as the class name, that is test.java. And then what I will do is, into the desktop I will make a folder, that is Java programs. Okay, and then I will open that folder, and then I will save my file. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to save. Now you have to go where you have saved your file. So first let me go to the desktop icons. Okay, so here are my Java programs. Here I have saved my test file. Okay, so from the top just copy the path which we have where we have saved our Java file. So I have copied the path. After copying the path, just write cd for changing that directory to go to that particular directory where you have saved your Java file. So cd and paste the path and then press enter. Second, you have to write javac and then file name, that is our file name is test. So test.java and then press enter. After writing this command and pressing the enter, if you will have in your program any error, then it will show that error, and if there is no error it will compile successfully. Okay, so let's do an end. Okay, so there is no error. Then third step is java and file name. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, so this is our hello world output. Okay, so in this way I have explained you how we can uh, do how to install JDK. Second, I have explained you how to set the environment variable path, and the third is how to run Java program in CMD. Okay, so whatever I have explained you, I have written in the points format so that you can do that particular task in point wise. Okay, so you can also take screenshot, and if possible I will also paste it in description. Okay, so in this way you can do this processes. Okay, thank you guys.